Hi, Colette. Um, Thank you so much for your poem this week. Your poem was what the prompt was asking for. Absolutely. Prompt two, I think although you were walking through a familiar place, the idea was to take a walk and sort of bring your notes or your voice notes with you on this walk and make notes as you walk and see what you observe and what you take in and how what that means to you. So I think your prompt did work. Um, your question two, I tried my best to rhyme and really make the poem look put together. Is it good enough? So that question of is it good enough is always problematic. In terms of like good enough for this class, I have to tell you that what is meant by these prompts is to just do your best and try it. And some of them will work for you and some of them will not work for you. And that is okay because this is an intro to poetry class, right? The idea is to try a bunch of new things, do your best, have fun with it, play with it, see how far you can go with it. So in that sense, absolutely it's good enough, especially for a first draft. The part about the rhyming, I question. I'm wondering why does it need to rhyme? It felt a little forced. The rhyming felt a little forced simply because it doesn't rhyme all the way through. It doesn't start with a rhyme. So then when you get to skin and in, distance, instant, all of a sudden it rhymes, then it doesn't rhyme for a while, and then it rhymes at the end. And so my recommendation would be to make it consistent in your next edit. So do you want there to be a rhyme, at the end lines and couplets? It sounds like that's what you're moving towards. If so, you've got some editing to do so that all of the end lines rhyme. Or do you want it not to rhyme? And in that case, I would edit it to take out the rhymes that you have in and just let it be a free-form poem without rhyme. So I think either one of those, that's your choice to make, either one of those would sort of improve the flow and make the poem feel more put together. Thank you so much for your poem this week, Colette.